How to hide all Facebook photos. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook. Click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down, click on Settings and Privacy. Then, click on Settings. In Settings and Privacy, scroll down. Scroll down till you find Profile and Tagging. Click on it. And then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Who Can See Posts You're Tagged in on your profile, which is below tagging. And then make sure it's only me. And then click on Save located at the bottom. After you've done that, go back and then click on the second option, which is when you're tagged in a post. After you click on it, make sure it's only me in here as well. Click on Save at the bottom. After that, go back to Settings and Privacy again and then scroll down. Scroll down till you find Activity. Click on Activity Log. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, click on Public Post. You'll find all your posts in here. Select the post by clicking on square shaped like button, which will be visible at the left side, and then delete it. This is how to hide all Facebook photos. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.